Hello, welcome to Skopelos. Come in. Now we have another room tour. First, we go to the kitchen first. There's a mini kitchen, utensils, plates. It's a bit weird because it's like on the ground, whatever, because it's cheap. Next, very special coffee machine. I haven't seen that. It's not a capsule, some whatever, some coffee cake maybe. So I don't know how to use it. I will explore. Fridge, mini sink, and let's move to the bath area. Sink, big mirror, good sink, I guess. And then, this very special design. You see, two big rocks to support this counter. Very natural, huh? And this toilet, whatever. There's no need to look. This the bath area. You see, so big. And we have a ladder for the towels. And yeah, I'll be shy to shower here because it's very transparent, but natural. And wardrobe. There's no cover, but yeah, I get very natural with a stick here. It's natural wood. Forget about this plant. Oh, and then bouncy, good, and whatever. Big mirror, Mr. and Mrs. for couples. And I have a makeup table here. Very good. So you stay here, do your makeup, big mirror, and the hotel gives us a bottle of free wine as well. You see? Classy. So we will enjoy it here. And the best thing, not the best thing yet, second best, the sofa. Again, you know, I like to chill, so stay here, chill, relax. Nothing to mention about. Now the best is here. Come. Ta-da! It's a view. Very pretty city here. I don't know if we call it horror or not. So this is the main city here. A lot of greenery. So my plan is sit here and then relax. This thing is very good. I'm planning to buy one. What about this? Because it doesn't take up space. Good idea. Bye bye.